Artificial intelligence has dramatically expanded the software supply chain. Training datasets, pre-trained models, embeddings, inference pipelines, and LLM frameworks like LangChain and CrewAI now sit alongside traditional source code, creating a vast, complex, and largely ungraded attack surface. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Threats emerge across every layer. Vulnerabilities in GPU drivers, container runtimes, and ML frameworks open doors for privileged account exploitation, unauthorized workload execution, and theft of proprietary training logic. Open source AI libraries introduce silent risks. A compromised tokenizer or embedding utility can propagate malicious code invisibly through entire training and inference pipelines, turning a minor dependency issue into an enterprise-wide trust failure. Model artifacts carry their own dangers. Unsafe serialization formats enable remote code execution the moment a model loads, while tampered weights can trigger harmful outputs with no visible warning signs. Detection remains the hardest challenge. AI's probabilistic variable outputs allow malicious behavior to hide in plain sight, making supply chain compromises extraordinarily difficult to identify, replicate, and trace before serious downstream damage occurs. Let's look into today's headlines. Government warns ministries of rising AI-powered cyber threats. The central government has asked all ministries and departments to immediately strengthen their cybersecurity against growing AI-powered threats. In an advisory, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology warned that cybercriminals are increasingly using artificial intelligence to launch sophisticated phishing attacks, create deepfakes, and exploit network vulnerabilities. Ministries have been directed to review their cybersecurity systems, improve monitoring, and update safeguards. The government says stronger defenses are needed as AI-driven cyber attacks become faster, smarter, and more difficult to detect. Amazon raises AI cloud prices amid rising memory costs. Amazon Web Services has announced a nearly 20% price hike for its AI cloud service, EC2 capacity blocks for ML from July. The company says prices are being revised based on supply and demand following another increase earlier this year. Industry experts say rising memory costs and shortages are driving higher AI infrastructure expenses. The increase could eventually raise the cost of AI-powered apps and services if businesses pass on the additional cloud computing costs to customers. OpenAI makes ChatGPT more conversational. OpenAI has quietly updated GPT 5.5 Instant, making ChatGPT less literal and more conversational. The company says the AI now better understands user intent, adapts more easily when conversations change direction, and remembers feedback throughout a chat. Early testing suggests the chatbot responds more naturally and offers more thoughtful suggestions rather than simply agreeing with the users. While the update improves the overall experience, conversations still require users to correct misunderstandings, showing AI remains some distance from human-like interaction. A student creates portal to make government tender data public. A Ranchi student who earlier exposed alleged irregularities in the CBSE Class 12 evaluation tender process has launched a portal to make the government procurement data easier to access. Sarthak Siddhant has compiled nearly 16.6 crore files from the Central Public Procurement Portal and made them freely available for download. He says the platform will help journalists, researchers, and citizens analyze government spending, improving transparency and accountability. A team of engineers is also working to further enhance the portal. Elon Musk unveils Grok 4.5 for internal testing at SpaceX and Tesla. Elon Musk has announced that xAI's latest model Grok 4.5 has entered private beta testing at SpaceX and Tesla. Elon Musk said earlier internal evaluations show the AI performing close to and in some cases better than Anthropic's Opus model. Trained with coding data from Cursor, Grok 4.5 is designed to improve software development capabilities. Musk said the model will continue to be refined through reinforcement learning before a wider release, though independent benchmark results are yet to be published. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and follow VAR India magazine. You can download VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.